Welcome to Beginner's Guide on Excel formulas and functions. This video will cover the basics to get you started on your Excel journey. Let's start with the basics. In Excel, formulas are used to perform calculations on values in your worksheet. You can add, subtract, multiply, and divide in Excel without using any built-in functions. You just need to use some basic operators. All formulas start with an equal sign. To perform addition in Excel, click an empty cell where you want the sum to appear. Then tap equal followed by the first number. Plus, and then the second number. Press enter. The sum of the two numbers will appear in the cell. You can add many numbers this way, not just two. Instead of typing numbers in a formula, you can reference cells that hold numbers to make adding a bit easier and more flexible. Let's create a formula that adds the cells. Start with the equal sign. Click a cell. Tap plus. Then click another cell and press enter. If you change a number in a cell, the result of the formula automatically updates. When you double-click a cell, you can see right in the cell if it is a formula like A3 plus B3 or a number. Also, you can look up the formula in the formula bar. When adding a few cells, the sum function saves you time. In cell A9, let's tap equal sum. Open parenthesis. Then select the range of cells with the mouse and press enter. This will sum the values in cells A3, A4, A5, and A6. AutoSum is a built-in function in Excel that allows you to quickly add up a range of cells without the need for tedious manual calculations. To use AutoSum, simply select the cell where you want the sum to appear. Then click on the AutoSum button in the tools bar. Let's select the blue cell under the column for amount. Then go to the Home tab and click on AutoSum. You'll see Excel automatically enter the formulas for you. Press enter. Here's a neat keyboard shortcut. Select the blue cell under fruit. Hold down Ctrl key to select the rest of the blue cells. Then press Alt equal. This automatically enters the sum for you. Subtracting is similar to adding, except you use the minus sign. To subtract, select an empty cell where you want the result to appear. Tap equal. Click a cell. Minus. Then another cell. And press enter. Excel will calculate the result for you. You can also subtract numbers directly by tapping them into the formula. Just tap the equal sign, the first number, minus sign, then the second number, and press enter. Multiplying is similar to adding or subtracting, except you use the multiplication sign or the asterisk. Don't use an X for multiplying. That won't work. To multiply, select an empty cell. Tap equal. Click the first cell containing a number. Tap the multiplication symbol. And click the second cell. And press enter. And voila! You have your multiplication result. To speed things up, use the product function to multiply numbers or cells. Product is similar to the sum function, but instead of adding numbers, it multiplies them. Let's tap equal sign in cell C7. Then tap product and open parenthesis. And select a range of cells and press enter. If we double click in here, we see the range of cells Excel used to perform the multiplication. It says C3 through C6. So it multiplies all the numbers in here and give you the product. Dividing is similar to multiplying, except you use the / symbol. To perform division, click an empty cell and tap equal sign. Click a cell, then a /, then another cell and press enter. If you divide the number in cell A3 by the number in cell B3, your formula will look like this. Use the min function to get the smallest number in a range of cells, and use the max function to get the largest number in a range of cells. Let's select cell B17, tap equal, the min function followed by open parenthesis, then select the range of cells and press enter. And there we have 10 as the smallest number within the list above. Let's select cell B19, tap equal, the max function followed by open parenthesis. Select the range of cells and press enter. And that's the largest number within the list. Median gives you the value in the middle of the data set. Y mode gives the one that occurs the most frequently. To find the median within a data set, tap equal and tap the median function followed by open parenthesis. Then select the range of cells. Press enter. To find the mode in a range of data set, tap equal, the mode function followed by open parenthesis, and select the range of cells. Press enter. Count function counts the number of cells in a range that contain numbers. To count the number of cells in here that contain numbers, tap equal sign and tap the count function, followed by open parenthesis, and select the range of cells. Press enter. Excel will then return the total number of cells with numerical values in that range, which is 9 in this case. COUNTA function counts cells that are not empty. It can count cells with numbers, text, or even errors. To use the COUNTA function, enter equal followed by the COUNTA function. Open parenthesis and select the range of cells. Press enter. And Excel will then provide you with the total number of non-empty cells within that range. Use the average function to get the average of numbers in a range of cells. To get the average for the list of numbers in here, I'll select cell B17. Enter the average function by typing equal average, open parenthesis. Select the range of cells and press enter. If statements allows you to make logical comparisons between conditions. An if statement generally says, if one condition is true, do something. Otherwise, do something else. Now let's read an if statement in cell B6 to see whether the text in cell A6 is a computer or a phone. To do that, tap equal sign followed by the if function. Press enter, and now it actually tells us that the text in cell A6 is a computer. But what if we copy the formula from B6 to B7? Let's see what happens. And paste. It says false. A computer is not a phone. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.